Hello, my name is Saleha. I
Hi,
have
myself
completed 3 months of
Banu.
internship
I
with
have
Unified
completed
Mentor
my
as a full stack
internship with
developer.
Unified Mentor as a full
Throughout the
stack web
program, I
development
gained
intern. It
hands-on
was a
experience
great learning
in
experience.
stack
I
application,
got to
API,
work on the
backend
projects
logic,
like
UI design, and
weather
development.
app, which
This
uses
internship
API
helped me to
integration, or
boost my
student teacher booking
confidence and
appointments,
strengthen my
which also uses
understanding of
Firebase and
practical
Cloud
software
Firestore.
development projects.
I had
I am grateful to
such a
Unified
great
Mentor
time working
for
on this
providing me this
project, which
opportunity, for their
makes my
support and
knowledge
guidance. Thank you
or
so
my
much.
theoretical knowledge work in
Hello,
practical
my name
ones.
is Saleha.
It
I have
improved
completed
my
3 months
skills
of
in HTML,
internship with
CSS,
Unified Mentor as
JavaScript,
a full
and
stack developer.
also I happen to learn new
Throughout
skills
the
like
program, I
React,
gained
Node,
hands-on experience
and
in
Firebase as
stack
well.
application, API,
I had such a
backend
great
logic,
time.
UI
Overall,
design, and development.
mentors
This
in
internship
Unified
helped
Mentor
me
are
to
so
boost my
supportive. Any doubts
confidence
can be
and
solved
strengthen
if I
my
message them or
understanding
call
of
them
practical
anytime,
software development
which was
projects.
a great
I am
thing which
grateful
makes
to
every
Unified
task
Mentor for
easier.
providing me this
Thank you,
opportunity, for their
Unified
support
Mentor,
and
for
guidance.
giving me
Thank you
this
so much.
opportunity, and I'll recommend to all the
Hello, my
students
name is
to gain
Saleha
the
Banu.
work
I have completed three
experience
months of
and
internship
real
with
life
Unified
experience through
Mentor
this.
as a full
Thank you.
stack developer.